Hey lovelies, welcome back to another interesting video. Thank you so much for clicking, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful textured beanie, and we're going to use the crossed double crochet stitch. The pattern is very simple and beginner friendly, so stay tuned, watch to the end, and please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. So I'm going to demonstrate the pattern using size large, but you can easily adjust to make different sizes because I'm going to leave the measurements in the description box, so make sure you check them out and adjust the sizes accordingly. Let's get started. In this project, we are going to need these materials. Yarn, I'll be using Winter King 4-ply yarn. It's 100% acrylic and it's a DK weight yarn, size 3. So any size 3 will work. A 4.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors, and a measuring tape. So start by making a magic circle, and we are going to make 12 double crochets in our first round. So yarn over and chain 2. These 2 chains does not count as a stitch. We are going to make 12 double crochets in our magic circle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 'So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 double crochets. Pull the tail to close that space, and we are going to slip stitch in our very first stitch to complete the round. To start round 2, chain 2, and in that very first stitch make 2 double crochets. Into the next stitch, 2 double crochets. Into the next stitch, 2 double crochets. So in round 2 we are making 2 double crochets in each and every stitch to the end. And to complete the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. So in round 2 we have a total of 24 double crochets, and we are going to start round 3 by chaining 2, and in the first stitch we make 1 double crochet, and then in the second stitch 2 double crochets in the same stitch, then followed by 1 double crochet in the next stitch, followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So round 3 the pattern is 1 double crochet in one stitch, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch, all the way to the end of the round. Okay, so 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and repeat this all the way to the last stitch. I have completed round 3 with a total of 36 double crochets. To start round 4, chain 2, and we are making 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then in the third we make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Then next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet in each, followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet, followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So round 4 we are making 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, followed by 2 double crochets in the next, in that order to the end of the round. So we have 48 double crochets in our 4th round, and to start the 5th round, chain 2, make 1 double crochet in the first 3 stitches, then in the 4th stitch you make 2 double crochets. In the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet in each. In the 4th stitch, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and 2 double crochets in the 4th stitch. So repeat this to the end of the round. So I have completed round 5 with a total of 60 double crochets, and to start round 6 we're going to chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So these are 2, 3 and 4. Then in the 5th stitch we make 2 double crochets. In the next 4 stitches we make 1 double crochet in each. In the 5th stitch make 2 double crochets. So for round 6, that is the pattern we're going to repeat to the end. 4 double crochets in the first 4 stitches, and then 2 double crochets in the next 1 stitch, 4 double crochets, then 2 double crochets, in that order to the end. Right, so I have completed round 6 with a total of 72 double crochets, and I want to confirm the crown diameter. It's about 5.75, which is close to 6 inches, yeah, when slightly stretched. So if you're making a small size, you can stop increasing at this point, but I'm making a large size, so I'm going to make 1 more round of increases. So to start round 7, we're going to chain 2, and in the first 5 stitches we're making 1 double crochet in each. So these are 3, 4 and 5. Then in the 6th stitch we make 2 double crochets. In the next 5 stitches, 1 double crochet in each. And then 2 double crochets in the 6th stitch. So repeat this to the end of this round. Alright, so I have 7 rounds of increases, and this crown is measuring about 7 inches. Yeah, so we stop increasing at this point, and now we are going to change our stitch pattern to making crossed double crochets. So chain 2 and skip this first double crochet and make a double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over, go back to the first stitch that you skipped, make a double crochet right there, yarn over, skip this next stitch and into the next one, make a double crochet, then yarn over, go back to the skipped stitch, make a double crochet. So that's how we make crossed double crochets, and we are going to repeat this to the end of round 8. So skip this next stitch, work a double crochet into the next one, yarn over, go back to the skipped stitch, make a double crochet. Complete the round by slip stitching on top of the first double crochet like that, then chain 2 to start the next round, and we are skipping this first stitch and make a double crochet into the next stitch, then go back to the skipped stitch, make a double crochet right there, skip the next stitch, make a double crochet into the next, then go back to the skipped stitch, make a double crochet right there. So we are going to repeat this pattern in the remaining rounds until the height of our heart is measuring about 6.5 to 7 inches. So right now when you fold it like this, it's 3.5. So I'm going to work the remaining rounds off camera, then I'll come back and show you the number of rounds I worked. So you're basically making the crossed double crochets in every round, and as you've seen, you skip the first stitch, then work a double crochet into the next, then go back to make a double crochet in the skipped stitch. So I'll meet you at the end to show the next step. Okay, so I have completed 16 rounds, and this far our beanie is measuring about 7 inches, which is a perfect height. And the next step now is to make a round of single crochet. So chain 1 in the same stitch, very first stitch, make a single crochet into the next, a single crochet in each and every stitch to the end of this round. Slip stitch on the first single crochet and chain 1, fasten off. And that's how we complete our beautiful beanie with a very beautiful texture of the crossed double crochets. So the next step now is to weave in the hanging tails, and we will call it a day. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and share with friends. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the tutorial, and what color are you going to use when making yours. I can't wait to see what you recreate. Please remember to tag us on your finished projects, and until next one, bye.